after independence, we still find it hard to start.
Hello, my fellow compatriots. Listen to this.
As Nigeria wobbles dangerously and tension builds up around the outcome of the 2023 presidential election that took place on 25th February 2023. NINAS. What is NINAS?
Nigerian Indigenous Nationalities Alliance for Self-Determination
invites you to a global virtual town hall.
Date is on Sunday, April 16, 2023. Time is 7 p.m. Nigerian time,
7 p.m. London and 1 p.m. CET. Venue, Clubhouse at NINAS. It will be aired virtually. The link will be sent ahead of the event to present the NINAS alternative to the chaos into which Nigeria is plunging itself.
We must now accept that the Nigerian Union is indeed distressed. We must also accept that yes or no, that the imposed unitary constitution upon which Nigeria is building its democracy is directly responsible for the woes and failures of Nigerians.
Manifesting as insecurity, killings, corruption, electoral robbery, impunity, infrastructure's decay, mass poverty, and forcing Nigerians to flee from their country that has become a monster on them.
We must also as well accept that elections and change of leadership will not change or cure the deep fracture of Nigerians.
And that only a revolution of our constitutional foundations will avail. We must now accept that no stable union can be built on the damaged foundation upon which Nigeria currently sits. Neither can any democracy or rule of law be anchored on an apartheid constitution. We must therefore accept that Nigeria must make a U-turn and go into a transitioning process to rework its damaged foundations, as further delay could lead to a catastrophic collapse with disastrous consequences.
Thank you, as we hope for a successful town hall meeting.
Powered by NINAS Secretariat.